Ben Gavitt, Craig Mills, and Chris Wineland. Directed by Emma Watson and the Catholic Clues. Here we go with this one. William Anastasiadis, Judy Bell, Ceci, Zack, Gilanyi, Tyler Norris, Jessica Schmidt, and Samantha Shamrock. I got through all the names. All right, and here we go.
I love you, Zack!
Last week on Chasing Waterfalls.
I'm Cassandra. My father has passed on, leaving me a huge fortune. The whereabouts of his killer are still unknown.
I am Wellington, Cassandra's younger brother, and that fortune is mine. I'm the detective in charge of solving this mystery. That's pretty much it. Today I will get what is rightfully mine.
Da da da!
Nothing or no one will stand in my way.
Da da da!
All ready to go? Gather the others.
Why have you brought us here, and what are you trying to pull?
My dear sister, this is my next plot to gather the family fortune.
Da da da!
Why have you brought us here, and what are you trying to pull? Cut! Zack, that is not the right line!
Well, I thought I'd try to bring something better to Samantha's part. And I did.
You are not playing Samantha's part. You know that, right?
For now.
Da da da!
Why are you doing the sound effects, and where is the regular sound guy?
The studio had to make some budget cuts.
Okay.
I was wondering, since you're the director and all, if you could tell me if I'm being too mean.
Well, Tyler, you are playing the villain.
But it's just so mean. I will do his part. I've been working on a white Morgan Freeman.
It's Tyler's part, and I'm pretty sure that's racist.
Okay, well, hear me out. I also do an Asian Sean Connery.
No!
Oh, Sean Connery, Sean.
I said no more accents. When will you be done filming my reality TV show? I have the Hiltons coming for drinks tonight. For the last time, you are a paid actress on a daytime soap opera. Your character's name is Cassandra. Your real name is Samantha. So, when will you be done? The script says the entire cast on stage. Where is everybody?
I'll go get them.
Well, director, I think I'd like to play the part of the detective.
You are the detective.
Yes, I'm gonna run this town. Okay, I feel better now. I went to the pet store and touched a kitty. Of course in my chair. It's in my contract to never... Oh, hey, by the way, you know that dog we need for the next scene? Yeah, well, he died. Anyway, since we need a lead dog for the part, I think I'll nominate myself. You know, I can bark in a British accent.
Pure curiosity. Go.
Bark, bark. Bark, bark. Bark, bark, wolf. Wolf. A wolf, a bark, a bow wow. Bow wow.
That's great. I'll let you know.
2 for 2.
What happened? Did I miss my line?
I was told to hit you, Polly. And you too, Judy.
I don't know what you want me for. I'm not even in this show.
Why is the cook here? Why is the cook here? Where's the guy that's supposed to be the chef?
Dibs! Dibs! I do mean truly a child.
Play every part.
Listen, Jessica, let's see. You know, I don't know if this is a fact, but I'm pretty sure Tom Cruise played all of the parts in the Mission Impossible. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4.
Okay, why is the cook here? Yes, you should be preparing my dinner for tonight. Do you remember the caviar?
Well, I made us some tasty stew.
Lionel, you've done it again! She is seriously lost. I just wanted to thank you again, Jessica, for bringing my big break. I just moved here to Hollywood, and I had the house, and the husband, and the 2.5 kids. Mom doesn't love me, so he doesn't count as much. And I've decided I'm just going to chase my dream. I'm so excited, I'm going to be a movie star. I'm going to have a star on Hollywood Boulevard and everything. By the way, where is that sidewalk? I can't seem to find it. You do know that this is Hollywood, Florida, right? Not Hollywood, California. What? Everyone knows there's only one Hollywood.
Kid, honey, don't you worry, because my kids don't love me either.
You know what? We'll talk about this another time. We're going to do Holly's scene now. And why is the cook still here?
Well, Ryan here said I could play the chef's part.
Whoa! 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 How did she get that part so quick? I called dibs. Hey, Ryan, buddy, where did you get your information part? Oh, it's my part.
You'll see.
My part.
Okay, places. Where's Tyler?
Oh, check the pet store. He's always there when I do my shopping.
Okay, I'm not eating any of that stew. Stew? That sounds great. Reminds me of home.
I got a puppy.
Okay. Places.
Stay.
Should we tell him that's a stuffed animal? And action.
My dear sister, this is my next plot to gain my fortune.
Well, Wellington, I'm surprised you invited me here, seeing as I'm the one that always brings you down.
You won't want to stop me this time, for I have a secret.
Dun dun dun!
Will we find out this secret? Will we find out who murdered Cassandra's father? Will we ever find out what's with Holly's third child? Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, it's time to do the commercial. That is too embarrassing. I'll just
No way, no way.
I'll do it. I can play old. Hold this. Hit it! Now! Now! In biblical times, I parted the Red Sea. But as you can imagine, with all that water, I urinated. But it's all right, because I was wearing my adult burlap diapers. Now, as you can imagine, burlap's not that comfortable. But now we have the new and improved with the elastic stretch waistband. For your comfort only, depends! Boom! And that director is 4 for 4!
And now, back to the show.
Well, what is the secret?
Well, if I told you the secret, it wouldn't be a secret.
I know the secret. You do?
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Yes. The evil secret is...
Dun dun dun!
Not yet.
Sorry.
The evil secret is... I will be gaining the fortune! But not just me, but my evil twin brother! And his name is...
Dun dun dun!
Seriously, will you stop that?
You can't have an evil twin. It doesn't even make sense.
Really, we're trying to make sense of this.
All I know is that you people have 5 minutes before my guest arrive for the gala I'm hosting tonight.
This was not what I thought the Hollywood experience would be like.
And really, does anyone even know what the secret is anyway?
Secret? Secret? Does anybody know what this show's about?
This is my reality show to my rags to riches story.
No, it's not!
Do any of you guys know what the soap opera's about? Do you have a clue?
I would like to play the part of the man who discovers what this show's about.
It doesn't even matter what this show's about or what it's supposed to be about. We got canned.
What?
I just want to text us that the second episode isn't going to happen, which is lucky for you guys because you can't even finish the first scene of it. The only reason the episode happened because my father owns the company. You guys aren't ready for a show. Zack, you can't play every part. There has to be other people playing too. It's not a one-man show.
Debatable.
Tyler, get off of that chair and do something with your life. You're too nice and sweet to be in this business. Go help people.
Thank you.
Sam. Cassandra, yes. This show isn't real. Seek help! Holly! Move to Hollywood, California. Make a life for yourself. Maybe your third kid will love you.
I love him so much!
Judy, your food's decent, but it could use a little more butter. I've been telling you this for a long time.
More butter. Very interesting.
And Ryan, I don't really know what to say, but you are very creepy. You need to learn not to talk to people so close. It's called personal space. And stop pretending like you know the answer to everything. Seek out the questions in life.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you have just witnessed an unaired episode of Chasing Waterfalls. Sadly, the show was canceled after the pilot episode, but in the end, those bumbling actors who couldn't get anything right have gone on to fabulous careers. Tyler expanded on his care and passion for by building houses. You might know him as Ty Pennington on Extreme Big Brother.
Move that bus!
Academy Award-winning actress Holly Hunter.
I'd like to thank the Academy.
Samantha is now one of the stars on the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
I have to declare bankruptcy.
Judy has dropped her first name and is now known as a great cook, Paula Dane.
Good night, y'all.
Zack became Vegas' famous grossing act with his new one-man show, Run This Town.
I'll sign that diaper later, baby.
No one really knows what happens to Jessica. But as for me, I decided to go with her advice and ask questions. Secrets out!